Welcome to step 3. The foam is off and the board is looking much cleaner. Before we do anything else, we just need to take a moment to check the surface is properly ready. Run your hand across the whole board. It should feel smooth and even with nothing loose left behind. If you find any patches you missed, deal with those now before moving on. Pay close attention to the corners and edges. These are the easiest spots to miss, and any leftover foam in those areas will cause problems later. A small brush will sort out anything remaining. It's a short step, but it matters. The suede is 0.8 mm thick, so anything sitting underneath it will show through once it's fitted. A clean flat surface is what gives you a good finish. Once you're happy with the whole board, you're ready for the next step. Step 3 is basically your dry fit. While you have the board out and the surface is clean, this is also the perfect time to measure and cut your suede fabric before any adhesive goes down. Lay the suede out flat and measure it against the board. For most cars, a piece around 1.5 meters by 2.5 meters is enough, but always measure your own roof first to make sure. Every car is slightly different. When you cut, don't go too tight to the edges. Leave a good margin all the way around. You'll need that extra material later to fold over the edges and bond to the back of the board. Once it's cut, lay the suede loosely over the board and check the fit. Make sure it covers everything with material to spare. It's much easier to make adjustments now than after the adhesive is down. With the surface ready and the fabric cut to size, you're all set for the next step.